Hi everyone, and welcome back. This is a quick video of this power supply that I've got. It's just something that I bought just to do on the bench testing and when I need 12-volt supply, but it's not a high current. It's a 12 watt. So it says here 9 volts to 12 volts is 1 amp. So it's not high rated, but it's okay for what I want to use it for. So mainly because I bought it for this, and yeah, it's just a quick, easy setup. Set it to 12 volts. You get a key. You get all of these adapters. I've actually used it to charge up my torch because its original supply broke. You get a key to adjust the voltages you need. You got nice distinctive clicks, if you can hear that. So you can't do fine tuning on it. Is one or the other. If you need that 12 volts, that's it. That's all you can set it to. If you need 9 volts, 9 volts. If you need 8.5, you're stumped. You just put it on 12 volts or 9 volts. Not 12 volts, 9 volts. Yeah, okay. So all I've done, you don't get this with the crocodile clips. You don't get these leads with the crocodile clips. I've done that. I've made that up and put it in. So disregard that. That's all you get. That's all you get. But it's good. So I'll show you what it's capable of. So we'll plug this in. Actually, before we plug it in, we'll stick it on 3 volts. So it's on 3 volts, plugged in. That's not plugged in yet, but you've got to be careful that your plus and negative are separate. We'll plug that in. So now you should see 12 volts out of this. So I'll get my trusty multimeter, which I've had for years. And let's see if we can get that in there. Right. You can tell it's old because it's all discolored. So what we'll do, we'll shove all of these to one side. Over here, we'll put the meter in the middle. Yeah. And then we'll put these either side. So what we'll do, got my plus and negative mixed up. We'll connect the negative and the positive. So there we go. So just over 3 volts. So that's pretty good. I'd rather have it above what it's supposed to read than below. So that's reading at 3 volts. Let's unplug it. Put it on 4.5. So we'll put it on 4.5. Yeah. And it's reading 4.6. That's because it's still got a charge in there. So reading over 4.5. Thumbs up on that one. So the next one. Tell you what, we'll wait for it to discharge. You'll see it go down. So we'll wait for that. And there we go, it's discharged. That. So we'll put it on 5 volts. You saw that, sorry, did I just rush that through? So the next one is 5 volts. There you go, just over 5 volts. as long as it's reading over, I'm not bothered, like I said. So what we'll do is we'll get it to 6 volts. Oh, actually, we'll put it on 12 so it discharges quick. There we go. So we'll put it on 6 volts. There we go, just over 6 volts. It's pretty good, I must admit. This is pretty good. Now, what we'll do is get it discharged, put it at 12. So we'll put it at 7.5, as you can see there. Yeah. 7.6. Happy. So we'll put it on, get it discharged. So we'll put it on 9. I think it's 9. We've done 7.5 because, yep. So we'll put it on 9. There you go, 9.2. Yeah, happy with that. We're doing 12. You've been seeing that. That's on the transformer in there, or whatever, however this works. So we'll stick that back in the power supply. And there we have it, 12.3. So, like I says, it's okay to test your phones and your dash cams if you want to, anything, but don't expect the world off it. It's only 1 amp, so that's, you know, next to nothing. It ain't going to charge your car or whatever. I don't know, I'm just taking a stab in the dark here. But anywho, you've seen what it can do. So, like I said, don't expect the world from it. It's just a small, cheap way of bench testing. So it all comes apart. You know, it's quick and easy. But anyway, I'm going to leave it on that one, and I'll see you on the next one. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe and share. It helps the channel grow, and I'll see you on the next one.